Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Friday, the 16th of February. We will start with the synoptics. Okay, this is the picture at midnight, just gone, midnight last night. A cold front with a decaying cold front behind it, just moving through. This is 12 o'clock today. The cold front has passed, and there is a trough hot on its heels. We woke up this morning to clear blue skies, and there's now a band of cloud that's just approaching to cover the airfield, and that will be the cold front proceeding to the east. And we'll look at midnight tonight and midday tomorrow. A couple of warm fronts over the top. Tomorrow doesn't look that good. Today looks okay. Spot winds at 1,000 feet, 260 at 20 knots, 260 at 20 knots. And we'll have a look at that band of cloud. This is a 2-hour window. And you can see that that is the cold front heading off to the east. And there is this band of cloud that is now virtually covering the sky is moving forward. Just going to have a look at visible satellite just to see if that's clearer. And there is dawn. And that's the cold front. And I guess this is the stuff that's now over the top of us. Rain radar. This is another 2 hours. And there's rain heading off over towards the Netherlands. Looking at the Met rain forecast, this is the picture at the moment. We'll just scroll forward a couple of hours, and it looks like it's going to stay dry. Okay, that's good. The public forecast, they're saying that we should see a bit of sun today, which would be nice. Not much chance of rain. The sun's coming out sort of late morning. Temperatures 11 degrees, feels a bit cooler. Wind direction looks straight down runway 27, gusting a little bit to 22 knots, but not much. Just be careful of canopies, but not excessive. Visibility excellent. When they say excellent, they say 40 kilometers or more, which is nice. Humidity is moderate. Look at the METAR for Odium. This was 32. Let's just refresh that. Okay, it's the same one. Wind 11 knots at the moment. Few clouds 900 feet. Remember, Odium is a couple hundred feet lower than us. And the TAF, which is just over an hour old. Few clouds, 1,000 feet. And I think that's about 3/8 few. And then from 9 to 11, scattered clouds at 1,000. All right, sky sight. It's low clouds throughout the day, ending sort of late afternoon, but not down to the ground. So it is saying a little bit of bubbling, less than 2 knots. A bit optimistic, maybe. Soarable heights is saying just below 1,700 feet. Temperatures and dew points 11 degrees, dew point 8. So we should cloud should go up a bit. And wind 14 knots. This is midday. 14 knots, gusting to 21. Flying heights 27 knots. Okay, looking at our own weather station. Temperature and dew point at the moment a couple of degrees apart. Let's see. The pressure is rising a little bit. Right, compared with, it's about the same as it was this time yesterday. Maybe the average wind is slightly stronger, gusting to 16. Yesterday at midday it was gusting around 20 knots, so maybe a slightly windier day today. And so we've had a millimetre of rain overnight, 3 o'clock. And accumulated rainfall for the past 24 hours is about 1 millimetre. So I've been out to have a look at the airfield, and there's still standing water there, so we will be on a wet weather setup. Looking at NOTAMs, there is nothing in our area, and let's look at this setup now for today. Right, movements and notices. Instructors today, Malcolm and Bob, who are both here at the moment. Glider availability, we have the two K21s, we have two K13s, the Grobs, SH6 and 8, and all the discuses are around. I know that there is one two-seater available, and also SH8 is available today if anyone decides to come along, bunk off work early maybe. There is a movement at 9:30, and it's a 727, it's inbound. So I'll check to see if it's going to be on time or delayed. Assuming it's going to be on time, if we're out that early, we'll just put the gear on the threshold of runway 23 and wait for it to come in. Set up today, runway 27. We'll have the winch and the cables coming down the south side. So winch queues on the runway on the south side, aero towing on the north side. Circuits, north side circuits, so that will be right-hand circuits landing on the grass or the runway, and south side circuits landing on the grass only. Because we're using the runway, we'll have the fire truck just on the edge of the grass and the runway, and any park gliders just lined up behind it, just on the edge of the runway. Okay, it looks like it should be a good day once this cold front has passed through. Let's go and open the hangar and get stuff ready. Okay, thanks a lot. See you out there.